What are we doing? So we've decided to leave the UK because the weather's shit. So we're in France right now and it's pissing it down with snow. We've arrived. We're actually managing to get an afternoon in. Well, we've got an hour. We weren't planning to ride today, but we actually had to drive past the track to get to our hotel, so we're panicking around. That's why everything looks like a bomb site, but we're actually going to go out and have an hour. So obviously we're here for Adam to train because he's doing the Super Enduro in Poland. And he's never done Super Enduro before. Obviously I am not doing Super Enduro, but I'm going to try and go around the track though and learn some stuff. We brought both bikes because he might actually prefer the 4-stroke for Super Enduro like Billy does. So we're going to do some bike swaps tomorrow. We plan to have 3 days riding, so this extra hour is going to be quite nice. You're not even hitting it in the middle. That's disgusting. Motherfucker.
I'm a little bit scared for you. I didn't think you should do that.
You don't think I should? Yeah! Oh my god, my heart!
Nice.
That scared the hell out of me. It's so scary. So scary. Oh wow! That can go so wrong! Not doing them yet! So tired already! So many dabs. Woo-wee! Some big boys. All these race the European Enduro. It's mad coming up on a day like this. Oh my god, it's a 125! Oh my god! I ain't doing that. Oh no! I just rode into that log! That was stupid!
Big problem, eh?
Big problem. Well, Marsh, you are a fucking idiot. Bent that. Definitely bent that. I think it's coming out where that bung is, so maybe I fix. So system report. Radiator. Fucked. I'm such an idiot, I just rode into it. I was trying to video Adam. But we've got some rad welt round there, and as I pulled this off, the radiator's never been off. That fell off, of course, so I've had to steal a bit from there, put it there, and also my fan broke. So we've got some liquid metal in there. I think I think I fixed it. We're all good so far. Let's find some sketchy shit. That's possible. That is possible. Let's just fucking do it. That would have been horrible to case though. Right, let's do this little lap. This might be the only time I'm in front of Adam because he doesn't know where the track goes. And I do. This tick over thing has got to change. Oh! It's horrible, isn't it? Hell! I follow you. We're on the follow cam. Rap, rap, rap. Oh, oh, where are you going? Uh-oh, uh-oh. I've done him! There's so many times where I nearly run into you.
Is it?
So many. That looked wicked.
The rock session because I'm definitely going to fuck that up.
That's actually quite good following with one of these. Okay, now.
That's how much I don't trust you. I'm surprised that stayed on.
Oh really?
It's come off a few times with me when I paced that.
Try this pipe.
Huh?
Try the pipe. 50-50 it. Ish. A 50-50
finesse fashion. How did you see that going? Let's have a quick go.
Get over, Vita! Right. That's where I felt my rad, eh? Going that way. I think that man likes 4 strokes. Ah! Oh my god. He's gone. Why does he make stuff look so easy? Oh, that's a sexy bike though. Oh, I like that bike. Jesus Christ, this thing absolutely flies out your hand. Oh, I got my adrenaline pumping in. Say again?